Community property refers to property and profits received by a husband and wife during the marriage, with the exception of inheritances, specific gifts to one of the spouses, and property and profits clearly traceable to property owned before marriage. All of which is separate property. Community property is a concept which began in Spain to protect rich women from losing everything to profligate husbands, and is only officially recognized in some states which were once under or influenced by Spanish or Mexican control. Community property recognizes the equal contribution of both parties to the marriage, even though one or the other may earn more income through employment. By agreement or action, the married couple can transmute separate property into community property, including by commingling community and separate funds in one account. Community property is recognized based on fact or agreement of the parties rather than holding of title.